it's gonna get below freezing, like 24 degrees. And you can see, we already had some really cold nights, and these branches are dead. So the whole tree is not dead. You can see this is still alive. So what I tried to do, I've got a felt wrap around the tree. I'm targeting certain trees, hopefully they'll live. But I've got a felt wrap around the tree, and then a heat pack, noodles around it. And I'm gonna put all of this straw around it. And then in some of the larger trees with the tents, like behind you, they have more room. They're not full of straw. So I've got makeshift torches that go in the top of a tiki torch. I'm gonna put them in the ground and then put a small clay pot on top of it. Hopefully it will heat the tent a little more. So we will see. If they die, it's not for lack of trying.